I'm just looking. And like, that one's the newest one, Ryan. That one's also good.
Now let's choose a pin. Yeah, the Ectochromes are fading red, but the Kodachromes are still going.
Hey guys, Sean here, and today I went to the Amherst train show again. It's been 5 years since my first video like this, so let's show you everything that I bought there. So let's get started. The only Thomas things that I got there was Take Along Donald's and Douglas's Tender. Yeah, last year there was a booth that had a whole bunch of like Thomas Wooden Railway and Ertl items new in the box, but he wasn't there this year, so there was only a couple people that were selling just random Thomas stuff just in piles in a box. I have these two. This Donald I've had basically forever, and this Douglas I found a couple years ago buried in my backyard in the dirt. So now I have the complete Take Along Donald's and the complete Take Along Douglas. Now I just need Mike's tender, and then I won't have any missing tenders. And the next cool thing that I got is this Matchbox super detailed Stephenson's rocket. Really nicely detailed. See, like, if I turn the wheels, the piston goes up and down. This is the back car, the rocket. It even has, like, wires right here. This is really cool. It's really nice. And here are the pins that we got. Aaron got this Daylight Limited, and I got this one, which I think is like in one of my train books, but I don't know the name of it. And the next thing that I got is this, a VHS of The Flying Scotsman, but yeah, that's not The Flying Scotsman. This was like free on a pile of other books, other free stuff. And then this shows the locomotive in the USA and England, as well as footage of it being loaded and unloaded for its visit to Australia. This tape is certain to become a collector's item. Yeah, sure. And the next thing that I got is this book, Markland H.O., the original presentation book for 2006. This has a whole bunch of, like, basically every different like Markland engine that they released, every different Markland product that they released for O-Gauge in 2006. There's lots of cool stuff, lots of stuff I'll never afford. Yeah, and fun fact, like during the production of season 1 back in 1983, the model makers actually just bought a Markland engine off the shelves to put on the set to pull trucks to make it look like there was more than 6 engines on the island. Guess what? I found more Rosebud Kitmasters. The guy that had this, the Midland Pullman Power Car. Yeah, the guy that had that, he also had the kitchen car and the parlor car, but I only got the power car because they were like $25 a piece. Still has all the pieces, all the assembly instructions, Kitmaster color chart, railway, Humbrol, enamel. I'm guessing a color chart of enamel that you can buy back in 1959 when these came out. And something else that's cool is the Rosebud Kitmaster Duchess of Gloucester. I know that's not how it's pronounced, but I think it's funny. See, look, this one has all of the pieces, and I guess, well, School's class locomotive, this one I already own. I guess that just came with it. Here's the instructions. So now I have 5 Rosebud Kitmaster items. The guy that was selling this, he was selling 2 of them for like $10 for both of them together, and because one of them was already built and already painted. Yeah, look at this. It's a really nice paint job, but like none of the ones I have been painted because I haven't gotten around to it yet. Rosebud Kitmaster plastic models. These are the same one that was in the one that I bought from Edison. Yeah. Available July 1959. And that's all the stuff that I got. And here's something that Aaron got, a boxcar for the Wizard of Oz. Yeah, there was a whole bunch of like O-gauge rolling stocks that are like this, and a whole different bunch of licensed ones like The Incredibles and Monsters Inc. and Inside Out, and lots of ones from the Polar Express. But this one was only $25, so he got that. So here is the boxcar. That's what the back looks like. Yeah. These slide. Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Now it's my turn to show what I got. I only got the Wizard of Oz car, and I got these color slides. I got more shots of the Flying Scotsman. I got 1, 2, and 3. They were $4 each to buy. And then I got this slide. It's a really old W.T. Carter train. And lastly, I got this, which was a really old mounted glass slide. So let's see them projected. And here are the shots I got last year for comparison. They were from the same guy.
And also, Aaron bought a new iPhone XR off of eBay for about like $200. Mostly just to use this to film videos and free up space on our own phones. So now, we have 3 of the exact same type of camera. And what can you make with 3 of the same cameras? A Cinerama rig. And this is our makeshift Cinerama rig. So this is how it works. You put one phone like this, another phone like this, and the third phone like this. And then you line up the cameras so they're nice and even. And then you tighten the top bolts so the phones don't fall out. Now you have a Cinerama camera. So let's test it out. Right now we have 3 cameras shooting in vertical mode. And on Adobe After Effects, we just need to barrel warp the sides to make them line up. And then we need to feather these 2 edges. Then we need to push them together to make them perfectly aligned. So this is Cinerama. And here's some Cinerama shots that we shot at the train show.